Jamie here, and we're back with the channel JRC Mechanical, and we got some we have some big news, or big news for me anyways. So lately I've been doing lots of projects and I've been recording them, however I haven't been posting them, so I've decided to take the plunge. I bought some camera equipment and we're gonna start putting out a little more content here. I feel like it'd be it's just the right time. We got a few projects on the go and there's some really cool ones. They're not just quick fixer-uppers. We got some really cool projects. So this is kind of just an introduction on what the channel is kind of gonna be from this point on. You know, a general explanation of what it's gonna be. So I'm gonna show you the first project we got on the go here, and first project we're going to be, well, not first project I'm showing you, I should say, is going to be this big flaming Dodge here. So this is a really nice truck. I knew the guy that bought it brand new. I knew the guy that bought it off that guy, and believe it or not, this truck is an 05 and it was only on the road for approximately 6-7 years. This truck sat for 10 years, I believe. 10 years, yeah, don't make me do math, but about 10 years with a blown engine. Well, I shouldn't say blown engine. It had a fuel issue, injectors, pump, and they thought something was wrong with the head. I think it might have had a bad hole as well. So they took it apart way back when, and they left it apart. So as the years went by, it got more and more rusty, and the owner I bought it off of, a buddy of mine, just he called it quits. He said, that's it, it's done, it's too far gone for him to do. He's not a mechanic and he doesn't have the time to mess with it. So I got it off him for a good price. So we're gonna put an engine in that thing. Mind you, actually we're gonna try to rebuild that engine first, but that's not the main project on the go. We have one on the go already, and I wish I'd have started doing some vlogging. Hudson, you want to get that light for me? When I started this project, I had the idea of getting some camera equipment and starting to put out some content when we started this project, but I didn't. So we're about 20 or 30 hours in on it, but it's not too far gone to bring you guys in and up to speed on what we're doing. So this is a 1985 GMC 3+3. It's got a 454 that runs really good. It's got a few leaks in it now. It didn't when I first bought it, but we've been driving it a bit before we took it apart. So we've got this thing slammed. We've got the rear suspension taken apart right now. It's getting to Super C. It's gonna be really sweet on air. In the front, we've got lowering spindles in it already. I don't have the bags in it yet, but it's down on the bump stops basically just to show where the ride height's gonna be. We'll get to the front suspension after, because there's gonna be some pretty serious modifications to the A-arms to get these wheels and tires to tuck in there and turn at the same time. So that being said, it's gonna be a cool truck, but wait, what's gonna make this truck even cooler and kind of bizarre actually is the fact that it's gonna be getting this service body. Yeah, that service body came on it, but everyone told, you know, everyone's asking me, Jamie, you gonna put a box on that thing? You're gonna put a box on that thing, right? You're gonna make it into a dually. No, we're putting that service body back on it. And as that service body sits right now, that's about how low it's gonna be. So it's gonna look pretty sweet. That frame, hopefully, with any luck and the right modifications, we're gonna have that frame sitting on the ground. So it'll be a cool truck. It's gonna be our tow truck as well, actually, so it actually will be a useful truck. So yeah, that's the projects we have on the go. Actually, you know what, I want to show you guys this one. Okay, this truck here, get where the sun isn't in the camera. Okay, this Ranger, I was actually going to start putting content on the channel as we built this one. That was 2 years ago, so we started building it. Well, and I thought, same thing, too late to start putting out content, so I just built it. This truck came about because at the time I was looking at new side-by-sides, and the new big fancy side-by-sides are bloody expensive. So that's where this come from. We built it cheap. It works awesome. It's got heat, it's plateable, and we can drive it on the highway. So that's pretty sweet. So anyways, we might get there might be a little bit of footage of that. We use it all the time off-roading and whatnot. But yeah, that's kind of the direction the channel is gonna be going. So I just wanted to fill you guys in. I don't know, hopefully you guys stick around to watch some of these builds and like and subscribe. Any likes and subscribes are going to help me better the channel, further it, and hopefully this goes somewhere. So anyways, hope to see you guys back. I'll have some videos out soon. Thanks.